Hello students, welcome back to English Learning. I am Ansuya Sharma, your English teacher of Venus Public School. So today students, we are going to continue the poem The Road Not Taken. Yesterday we had already completed our 2 stanzas and now let us continue the third one. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no steps had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another. Okay, student. So let us again read. I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. So now students, in this stanza the poet says that after all his calculations as to which path was more often taken, he saw that on the same day he was walking along the forest. So he found that no one had taken that road. The second road which he had chosen was not even taken by a single person. Okay, and he was the first to do so. He was the first person to walk on that road. As a result of this, what happens, students? No leaves on that path bore any sign of being blackened by traveler's footprint. Okay, means in very simple ways I will tell you, when the poet was walking on that road and it was it was autumn season, all the leaves were fallen on the way. So when we walk on the leaves, or many people walk on leaves, what happens? The way and the leaves get toaded, means they turn black in color. But when this poet was walking on that path, he saw that there was no sign of any human being walking on that road. He was the first one that he was walking. Okay, then oh, I kept the first one for another day, means he was thinking that the first road which I have not travelled, I will travel that road in future. As he was not sure, students, that he will come back or return back someday to travel the first one, but still he was having that image in his mind. Whenever I will get a chance to walk, I will walk on the first one, because he is already traveling currently on the second one. He knows how's that route. Okay, but yet knowing how way leads on to way, it means now here the poet is trying to tell us that having chosen to walk along to the second path, the poet thought he would also walk on the first one on other day in future. Okay, his resolution of he could not make any certainty, means any certainty he was not making that particular day I will come and just walk on that road, but he had a plan. Okay, future plan he was having, because the poet knew that one road leads to another. It's very true, students, that always one road leads you to another road. Okay, he might never have a chance to come to that junction again. Okay, and never be able to walk along the first path also. Okay, so he just rejected the second one and he rejected the first one and decided to walk on the second path. Okay, so now trodden means to walk on that path. Okay, leads means forefront. Okay, means to just imagine what will be the road. Okay, now let's come to the fourth para. Here, I shall be telling this with a sing, means he is now telling this line with a little bit of sorrow, you may say. It means with sorrow. Why he is saying with sorrow? The poet says that he have made his choice of taking the second path from the junction in the forest. He still cannot rest. Okay, it doesn't mean that he took a path which was not traveled by anyone. Do you think it would be a easier path? No, it was not a easy decision. See students, whenever we take a very different road, okay, a road which we have not taken, no one have taken, so if to walk on that road we need a lot of courage, okay, lot of patience and lot of hard work we need, then only that person reaches to that particular success. Okay, see for example we can see Dhirubhai Ambani. Did he was born with that power and whatever property, whatever shares he's having? No, he was just born in a very small family, but he struggled, he worked hard, and today he reached. And his sons are also at the very high power they are holding in this, in India or in the world also. Okay, so like this, to do anything very different we need to work very hard, and we cannot compare ourselves with anyone. We need something different we should do, then only we can gain something in our life. Okay, people have to spend their ages and ages. Okay, it takes a lot of time, many years of struggle, then only we gain something in our life. Now the third line of fourth paragraph: two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that made all the difference. Here now what did the poet did? He did not follow the people. Most of the people say this road is traveled by many people, so this road is safe, but they people cannot do anything, something big and something different in their life. They are just like normal people. Okay, but people who choose tough roads, tough things in life, they just climb higher and higher mountains. Okay students, so here poet is trying to say that he just took that less traveled road, less traveled by many peoples, a very mysterious road you can say, and he was very confused also, is it his right decision or wrong decision, but still he stood and he just kept on walking on that road. And finally what made the difference? Only the decision of choosing the different road made a difference. Like in your life, if you choose to work hard in your studies, to try your level best, then only students, you have seen many of our toppers in our school, they just concentrate on their studies. When teachers are teaching them, they just focus on their studies. And you, as you all have seen, we have toppers in our school. How they become toppers? Because they choose a different road, different from all the other students. That is the reason why they are toppers. Okay students, so I hope you understood the poem, and you will also try your level best and do very good in your academic year, as this time is a very curious time we are facing because of this COVID-19. So I hope students, you stay home and study well and do your all the best in your exams. So students, please try to learn and cover up your syllabus, because we never know what will happen in future, and if we work hard, then only we can gain good things in our life. Thank you.